When a cork gasket is used on something like an oil pan or a valve cover, sometimes people will tend to over-tighten the hardware. That can suck the metal down around the bolt hole, causing leaks. But that's easy to fix. All you need is a hammer and a dolly, or an alternator bracket that you just freshly painted, but it's the flattest and straightest thing you have. Place your dolly or whatever you got on the top side. You can see that gap. And then give her a little bit of a whack, just a little bit at a time. And she's coming around already. That's just about good. I think a little bit more and we'll be set. I think that's good enough. Turns out most of the holes need a little bit of correcting here. This one not so much, just a little bit. This valve cover is going to seal great now. Subscribe for more stuff like this and check out some other videos on the channel.